Tesla showed glimpses of solar panels installed in its vehicles. Innova, Tesla has released a video clip showing the solar panels installed in the electric car that will charge the vehicle while on the go. Along with solar panels, Starlink satellite dish has also been installed in the vehicle, which will provide internet facility to the passengers during the journey. Tesla showed glimpses of solar panels installed in its vehicles. Elon Musk's company presented the idea at the Idea Expo in Germany last week. But Tesla did not provide any further details, which means that the electric carmaker is not going to introduce these devices to consumers anytime soon. As electric vehicles become popular, many companies are looking for ways to increase the distance the vehicles can travel on a single charge. But one problem with electric vehicles remains that solar energy does not significantly increase the range of the car because it is not as efficient as electricity. Because of this, electric vehicle owners have turned to alternative routes, with several companies offering solar panel ideas as portable chargers as a solution. For example, the Polar Green tow trailer has the capacity to generate up to 6.5 kilowatts and can be used to power electric vehicles. Note, www.thetechytube.com and its policy do not necessarily agree with the views of this blogger.